Well, hello my beautiful people, welcome back to my channel if you're returning, and if you are new, welcome to you as well. This is Christine, your DIY craftaholic, so let's get crafting. Let's just jump into this first one. Now this is a sign that I got from Michael's. Now guys, whenever you go to Michael's, these are on like the end shelves, right in front of the cashier for 99 cents. Make sure you don't pass these by. Alright, so as you saw, I removed the paper and I'm using this napkin, and I'm only going to decoupage half of the sign, just like you saw me show you how I'm going to be doing it. So I removed the back ply and cut it in quarters, and then half of those again. And then I'm going to use Mod Podge with a small brush to just decoupage that on. And I won't go into too much details because you guys know how to decoupage. For those who are just seeing this for the first time, I will leave a video at the top so you can check that out. But what I'm doing, I'm just applying the Mod Podge, dry it a little or spread it thin, and then place the napkin on top of that. And use my finger to just smooth it out to make sure that there was no air bubble underneath. And I did that until I was done. I took a emery board and I'm filing off the excess in a downward motion. And now that's done, I realized that I needed to just even this out a little bit, so I did that. And now I'm going in with additional Mod Podge on the surface of the napkin, and that's to protect it. And then use the heat gun to just dry that. And make sure you're not brushing too hard because you don't want the napkin to tear. Now that's done. I took a gold marker, or yes, this is a gold marker, and I'm going around the edge of the frame, and that's done. And then I took the family word from this rub-on transfer. I got this from my friend May over at Crafting with May. Rub that on gently and then peel off the top. Now what I didn't mention, I had applied some Mod Podge to the frame, and I shouldn't have, but at that time I wasn't sure what I was gonna do. But because I applied the Mod Podge to the frame, the transfer was pulling up. But anyway, I got it on nevertheless. And I also added the word faith, and then I took a fine tip Sharpie black and wrote in off. So we have family of faith. And this picture frame is done. Love it. So next, just to protect the transfer, I just went over that with a little more Mod Podge on a makeup sponge. And this is done, guys. You will see more of this in the final reveal. This one is a pizza board I got from Temu, and I'm going in with a coat of baby pink, and this is from Apple Barrel, which is a Plaid product. I am a Plaid ambassador, so you can find my link in the description box below. And here I'm using another napkin. I got this one from my friend May, doing the same decoupage technique. And because the napkin has pink, that's why I painted the board in pink to give it that base color. It is the third week in January 2024, and I am having a little challenge getting back into my groove of crafting. I have quite a few little things working on in the background. You will hear more about that in the upcoming weeks. I'm using my heat gun because I did not have my heat press plugged up, but the heat gun works just fine. And doing the same process, just using the emery board to file off the excess in a downward motion. This can either be Shabby Chic or French Country. Oh, Let me know which one you think it is. So now I'm taking the gold marker and I'm just outlining the bird and the rose just to give it a little highlight. And I think I love how that turned out. If you are new to my channel, or welcome. I'm so happy you joined me today. Here on my channel, I do DIYs on a budget, dupes, look for less, and some occasional Dollar Tree shopping hauls and thrift flips. If you love budget-friendly DIYs like these and you have not yet subscribed, please consider subscribing and be sure to hit that notification bell. Hit it again and select all so YouTube notifies you whenever I upload new videos. And to balance out everything, I took the marker and went around the edge of the top part of the board as well. Right, so this is a lace that I got from the Dollar Tree. I thought that this little sign needed something else, so I'm just gluing on that, making sure that I leave the gold border showing through. And at this point I was wondering, okay, so what else am I going to be putting on this? I did not want to overpower it too much, so I had to think a little bit harder as to what next I would put here. So I have these rose press-on stickers and I found that one and placed it there. Then I made a little finger bow from this ribbon, also from the Dollar Tree, and glue that at the top right there, and then use a piece of the same ribbon for the hanger. Now that's it, guys. This is all that I'm doing for this little sign. To keep it from swinging around, I tack down the hanger, and this is done. Let me know what you think. Oh no, it wasn't quite done yet. I thought it needed a pop of greenery. So I found these glitter fern. Of course, I rubbed off the glitter and glued it right there. And then to cover the hole, I took a half bead, glued it on top, and that is done. Now we're on to our third DIY. Now I'm taking one of these Dollar Tree hanging shelf. You know, you have the long one and the square one. This is, and it has two pieces in the pack. So this is one piece. I'm going to make a riser, so I took some hot glue and I'm just closing up those holes. You can use spackle if you don't want to use a hot glue. And then I'm just adding or gluing on the legs. I'm using 4 small wooden cubes and I'm using hot glue and wood glue. Now you want to make sure that both the hot glue and the liquid glue are not touching, because that's just going to cancel out each other. If you are enjoying the video so far, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. That really helps my channel. So once I applied the hot glue and the wood glue and secured those, I use a piece of napkin to just clean off the excess. I'm just adding a little bit more hot glue on the top to cover that up. Alright, so this is a large washi tape that I got from BB Craft. I will be putting that in the middle. So I took 2 pieces of the painter's tape and I'm just taping off an area. And then I used the antique wax to just stain the 2 sides. You don't want to stain the middle because that's where you're going to be putting down your paper. Without applying the wax with the brush, but that wasn't working, so I had to switch to using the makeup sponge, and that worked so much better. Guys, I do apologize for the background noise. I was doing the voiceover at church today. I was helping with the food pantry, and the ladies just decided to, you know, enjoy themselves with some laughter. I didn't realize that the recording was picking up all of that background noise. So here I am removing or opening the tape, but first I remove the the painter's tape, and while I was pulling it off, it started tearing. So I'm just making sure that I got that little piece reattached. Then I remove that and use the emery board to just file off the excess. Connect with me outside of YouTube. You can scan that QR code and that will take you to my Linktree address, and there you will find all of the links that you can reach me at. Now I wanted to cover the holes because the hot glue was just too obvious there, so I took some of these beads. These are also from BB Craft. You can check my description box for my affiliate link for that, and they've come in very handy. And then I just glued those on, and now this is done. I'm just applying some Mod Podge to seal it. And our little riser is complete. Guys, let me know what you think about these 3 quick and easy everyday, yes, everyday DIYs. Now we're here for the final reveal. Now here is our little riser. I love it. And I also love the washi tape that's on it. I got this from Craftspire. I said BB Craft in the beginning, but it's not. I got that from Craftspire. And this is our wall hanging sign, cutting board wall hanging sign. And here is our picture frame. Now this picture, that's the only one I could find that could fit in here, but that is a picture of my family. Though the word family got messed up a little bit, I love the character of it. And here is a picture of all 3. Now guys, let me know which one of these was your favorite. I believe I love all of them, but that's just me. Don't forget, if you have not yet subscribed and you like what you see here today, go ahead and subscribe before you leave, and also to like, share, and comment down below. I truly appreciate that. If you love budget-friendly content like this, I suggest this video right here or this playlist. And stay safe, my friends, until my next one. Bye.